Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
This is Pedro from Gushi. This is Andy. We are regional sales manager for American market. Today we are going to talk about hot sale items for stone tools in American market. Why we are talking about this topic? Because in American markets, the coronavirus, the situation is very bad in North America and South America. So for normally for hardware tools, the store is closed or will be closed. The situation is difficult. But for stone fabrications or for construction tools, the business is still moving, and also the project is still going. So we have some customers who buying stone tools. We are still keep running the business. We are going to introduce some hot sale items for stone fabrications. That's why we talk about today's topic. And we have prepared different tools for polishing, grinding, and cold drilling and cutting. We will talk about one by one. First, which one we will introduce?
Let's introduce the polish paste first.
Okay. Polishing pad. For stone tools, normally the materials like granite, marble, and also like marble glass, different. And the fabrication needs a lot of tools to polishing the surface. So polishing pad is widely used for this kind of job.
Okay, this is a polish paste. It's used in polish granite, marble, and engineered stones. This is why
weight use. Polishing by water. And how to use? Because there are different numbers.
Yes, we can provide the different grades from 50 grades to 3,000 grades and above. Even we can provide the 6,000 grade and to 10,000 grade according to customers' needs. And the users polish the materials with the flexible
adapter.
Yes, adapter.
Okay, Andy, why we need so many different grades on the weight polishing pad? Which one should be used first? Which one is left?
The first step is from coarse to fine, 50 grades is coarse, and to 400 grades and 800 grades to 3,000 grades is fine polish.
Normally speaking, there are 7 steps for the weight polishing pad.
Yes.
And people use from the first step from 50 grades and to 3,000 grades. By 7 steps, you can polishing the granite and marble from abrasive to fine finish. Yeah. And even we have buff and more fine grid for customers choose.
Yeah. And the popular size in North America and South America is 4 inch.
Yes, the size, the diameter is 4 inch.
And some people also were inquiring 7 inch. And we can print a customer's logo on the bank.
Yes, can be here.
Yes. The package we can provide the white box and the double blister according to customers' needs to help them to have a good sale.
And I noticed there are some different colors.
Yeah.
This is like dark brown, but this is white.
Yes.
So what's the difference, or which one is better?
Actually, the quality is same.
The quality is same.
Just the color is different according to the customer's needs. In North Americans, some users prefer to use the white color polish paints because they were worried about fading. Yes, the fading will the materials will be dying. But don't worry this because our polish paints always are good quality, so it don't have this accident.
Yes. So besides of wet polishing pad, do you have some other option?
We have the dry polishing paints. Yes, this type you can see the style of polish paints is different. It's different. It's used for dry polishes stone materials. And also the grade we can provide it according to customer needs from cost
Also have 7 steps.
Yes, 7 steps.
The biggest difference is this is wet, this is dry.
Yes. So we always provide the polish paints according to the customer's needs. We have different options for customers.
How about this one?
Yes, this is 3 steps because this is more efficient for customers. Now the customers they wanted to save the money and improve the efficiency of work. So now we are promoting the 3 steps polish paints. It's divided to 1, 2, 3 steps, and for different polishing process.
Yes, normally when we need 7 steps to finish. Wait a moment. To finish the polishing job, but for fast working and for improve the how can I say better efficiency, we have 3 steps. So just 3 steps can finish the job compared with 7 steps. There are 3 kinds: wet polishing pad, dry polishing pad, and 3 steps polishing pad. But all of them should be connected to the drill machine by the adapter. Yes, like this. Of course, different size connect to the different adapter.
Yes.
The thread depends on what kind of machine you use. If you use hand grinder or air polisher, the thread is different.
Yes, and the material of flexible bank is different. We can provide the rubber and plastic. The plastic materials also are different. We have the harder plastic materials and the softer plastic materials. The cost is different. It's according to the needs of different market, because different market have the different needs. Like in North American North American market, the customers they prefer to use high quality. So the cost is different in different market. So that's why we have the regional sales manager for different market. Because different market need a specialized and professional person to focus on it. Our regional sales manager know our market much better to serve our customers.
Yes. When we talk about stone fabrication or stone materials, it's related to the south area. That means which area have stone material. We cut the stone material from the mine to blocks and slabs and to pieces of the material. So, like Annie said, we have regional sales manager to visit and check each market.
Yes.
But we also need to know the how can I say the popular quality, also the popular model,
Yeah.
or even the what kind of things the customer would like to buy in different countries.
Yes.
In Brazil, when we talk about stone tools, people will talk about Vitoria, because this area have a lot of stone material. So behind of this, a lot of tours, a lot of material business are focused on there, and also in America, in some other place like Italy, like Iran, and also like Egypt. Yes, a lot of countries they have a stone materials market center.
Yes.
So for regional sales manager, one of our job is learn and study the market in local, to visit the customer, to visit the end user, especially for stone fabrication. The buyer are almost how can I say, more professional.
Yes.
They use the tools every day for every job, so they know the quality very well, and they also know the price very well.
Yes.
So for us, we need to offer first should be a good choice for the customer. Second, stable quality and also stable price. So this is what we are doing for our regional sales manager policy.
Yeah. In order to deeper understand our market, our regional sales manager, they will frequently visit our market at least twice per year, and we
2 times
yes,
for 1 year at
yes,
least.
we attend the exhibitions in our market over six exhibitions in last year. So we will visit the local market to understand the market. Next, we will introduce the.
Yes, after we talk about polishing, we will talk about the grinding.
Yeah, grinding. This product named diamond grinding cup wheel, and we can provide the turbo roll diamond grinding cup wheel. Also, we have the double roll, single roll, the different type, and the application is for grading stone materials like marble, granite, and other stone materials.
Yes, compare with construction market, turbo and continuous ring, the segment is more widely used for stone fabrication. And this one in the hand of Andy is aluminium base.
Yes.
It's different compared with normal steel.
Yes.
And also you can see there is a thread, the connection thread. And also it's different for different markets.
Yes, in North America, the popular thread is 5/8 to 11.
5/8 to 11 thread. And in South America it's F14.
Yes.
Because we use different and grinder.
Yes.
And how about the popular size?
The popular size in North America is 4 inch.
4 inch.
Yes, 4 inch is popular.
And is there any different formula or different grades for the segment?
Yes, the segment also have the coarse, fine, and medium and fine. Coarse, the grade is 30 and 40 grades. And medium bond is 70. It's 70 and 80 grades. It's 80 grades. Fine, it's 100 to 120 grade, and it's different process. Like coarse bond is used for fast removal, and
it's normally for the beginning.
Yes, and the medium bond is for grinding, and fine bond is for smoothing.
Yeah, smooth, and for the final polishing to like
yes,
like a mirror.
Yeah.
very, very clean.
Yes, and the advantage of aluminum body is it's more lightweight. Lightweight.
Is lighter
Yes.
than steel body.
So it's easy to handle. And the machine the suitable machine of cup wheel is air polisher and angle grinder.
Yes, this is one of the widely used diamond cup grinding wheel for stone tools, and we also have continuous ring segment, and also we have double layer of turbo.
Yeah.
A different design. So this kind of diamond cup wheel is specially designed for stone tools or stone fabrication user. After we talking about the polishing and the grinding, if you have question, you can left your inquiry or comments on our Facebook. Our sales will answer you online. So next one. We will talk about cold drilling.
Yeah.
Here we have different cold drill bits. This one is electroplated, and this one is vacuum brazed. And we also have stone cold drill bits for normal stone like granite and marble. And this one is specially designed for Decton, a very hard special material. So we will talk about one by one.
Yeah.
First, electroplated.
Okay. This diamond core drill bit named electroplated diamond core drill bit because the technology is electroplated.
What is the application for this cold drill bit?
Electroplated diamond core drill bit is for drilling the glass and marble and the stone materials.
And also can be used on ceramic.
Yes, ceramic.
But normally electroplated is very good on glass working.
Yes, and it's way to use.
Yeah, way to use. So what is the advantage compared with other cold drill bits?
The advantages of electroplated diamond core drill bit is drilling fast, and the materials is not easy to ship, and the working life is longer compared with normal diamond core drill bit, and the advantage of our manufacture is the capacity. We can produce the electroplated diamond core drill bit over 1 billion pieces per month. So the capacity and the delivery time is stable for our customer. So don't worry about the delivery time.
And I know for electroplated technology, the producing process is, how can I say, should be well controlled. Otherwise, it's a kind of pollution for the environment. So how about our manufacture?
Because our manufacturer supported by the local government, so our production management it's better than other manufacturer. So the production time is always stable. So some in China, a lot of small manufacturers, because the production management and it's not very strict, and production process affect the environment. So they usually stop the production during some period.
China government pay much attention to the environment. So if the small factories they polluting the environment, they will be checked and stopped to produce. So they cannot guarantee the delivery time. But for our manufacturer, they even produce the steel body by themselves. So they have the ability to control the production ability, quantities, and also for the quality. They are in an industry zone which is organized by the local government. They have good equipment to solve the problem of the pollution. So for the stable quality and the in-time delivery time, and also for the competitive price, that's our advantage for this item which we can offer to you.
Now I'd like to introduce the size. What's the size we can provide? From 5 millimeter to 150 millimeter.
Diameter.
Yes. And normally the shank, we can provide the round and the hex. And the electroplated diamond coil bit connect with the drilling machine.
This is a hex shank.
Hex shank.
And normally we can also offer round shank. This electroplated, the widely used in the drill machine, electric drill.
Yeah.
And the next one we talk about vacuum brazed coil bits. It's more widely used on angle grinder, so the connection is different. Here is M14 thread.
Yeah.
But this one is just hex shank or round shank. It's quick connected to the drill.
Yeah.
But this one we used on angle grinder because it can be used on high power and high speed. Vacuum brazed compared with electroplated, this one can be used on dry. This should be wet. And also compared with electroplated, the production process is more green for the environment.
Yes.
Compared with this one, dry using is one of the advantage, and also can have fast and multi-use.
Yeah.
For vacuum brazed, it can be used in different kinds of material, like steel material, and also can be used on glass, and also like some kind of concrete material.
Yeah.
So this is a new technology, more friendly for the environment.
Yeah.
But now we are trying to control the price, control the production cost, to let this item more competitive. It is okay. Vacuum brazed diamond coil bits are already introduced in American markets, from North America to South America. Our customers check the quality compared with some famous brand, but our quality is very good and approved. And also we have supplied this item into European markets.
Yeah.
Our quality, how can I say, is stable and well controlled because we have a very stable system to check and control. We test the samples, and also we check test the quality during the production process.
Yeah.
We check each lot, and also before shipment, we will make the according to AKO 2.5 standard.
Yeah. Yes.
For this, we can offer more package options, like plastic hanger and double blister and blister card, and also we can offer plastic tube and color box like that. For these two items, for me, for South America, for now, electroplated sells very good. But for this item, it's starting popular, especially for some big brands. They already launched this item.
Yes.
So how about in North America?
In North America, like USA market, these two products all are popular. But in like Central American, like Mexico, Costa Rica, and Panama and Colombia, the electroplated diamond culture bits is popular because the cost is different, I think. But I think the vacuum brazed diamond culture bit will start to popular in this market because this application of these two culture bits are a little different. Electroplated diamond culture bit is most suitable for drilling the ceramic and glass, and vacuum brazed diamond culture bit is most suitable for drilling the marble and granite. So a little difference. So I think these two products all have a great potential in North America. Yeah, so if the customer you are interested in our drill bits, we can provide the test video. Yeah, we compared with some international blend, and like electroplated diamond core drill bit, we test we draw 10 millimeter porcelain in 8 millimeter drill bits. We can drill more than 100 holes. Yeah, and the quality is our medium quality. So if you interested in our electro diamond core drill bit, we can provide a sample to you according to the needs. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we will introduce.
Next, we will talk about cold drill bits for normal stone and also for decton. Actually, the design is similar. These two they have different connection.
Yeah.
This is 5/8 11 thread, and this one is 1.5 BSP connection. Actually, the main difference between normal stone and decton is that the diamond segment, I mean the formula. Yeah. Because for granite and marble, the hardness is different than decton. So for normal cold drill bits, the formula is the normal formula, the standard formula is okay. But when we need to dry decton, we need to use a special formula, a special diamond segment. Yeah. And first, we need to introduce what is the decton material and why we need to design a special cold drill bits for decton.
Let me introduce the decton materials. Decton is engineered stones, and it's very hard. It's easy to chip when the user is cutting it. And the cost of decton is very expensive, so the users need a special, professional blade to cut it. So our R&D department, according to the customer's needs, develop the decton cold drill bit. Yes, we are always according to the customer needs to help them to solve the problems.
Because for normal cold drill bits, if you use this one on the decton cold drilling, the speed is not good, and also maybe will break the decton material. The decton material is designed by a Spanish company, and also first it is expensive, but it's quite popular in step by step in the market. So we need a better formula and a better segment to finish this job. And also for the size, the popular size is quite similar. We can offer from a small diameter to up to like 100 millimeter, and the length, the height is around 100 millimeter in total, includes the segment. And we also can laser mark on the steel body to print your logo and print the size. And also for the package, we can make a double blister, color box, and even can make some special design according to customers' needs. So for cold drillings, we have different options for glass, for granite, marble, engineered stone, and even for dectum, this kind of special. So if you have any question, you can also, like we said, you can leave the message or leave the comments on our Facebook page. About dectum, there is one topic.
Yeah.
Why Gushi can always develop new products according to the market needs. Because we have dectum cold drill bits, and we also have dectum blades, the next one we will introduce. But before we introduce the cutting blades, we can talk about how Gushi develop new items. Because for this kind of dectum tools, it is new in the market.
Yeah.
How we can catch the market sense and develop the right tools for our customers.
Okay, I'd like to introduce our team. Firstly, our marketing team, they will always researching and studying our market, and they will find the new product and hot sale product in our market. And they also will analyze our market. They will feedback the market information to our sales department and supply chain management department. Our sales department, they are responsible for the original sales manager responsible for different market. They will frequently visit our market and attend the exhibitions. They also will study our market and communicate with our customer. And they will know about which products it's suitable for the market. And we also will get some information from our market, and also visit the local tools stores. And the regional sales manager will feedback the information and to our R&D team. And they also will recommend the new product or hot sale product to our customers to help them improve the sales. Then our R&D team will, according to the information from sales department and marketing department, according to our customers' needs, develop the products that are suitable for different market. So, and our technicians, they test the samples by ourselves. Sometimes the samples from our market, we bought the samples from market. We will test it and improve the quality, then recommend to our customer. And we also will the samples from our customers. And all the customers, they will provide the samples to us. Let us develop it and compare with some famous brand. So we test it, and we will share the test report and the test video to our customer. And we improve the quality to help our customer to improve their sales, to compare, to keep, to remain the competitive in their market. So we always develop the new product every year. In last year, we developed the new product over 8 new items. Yes.
8 new items.
Yes.
Here, I would like to share one story to explain the details. To develop one new product, it's kind of connection from the market sense to the product technology. And also it's kind of connection to the sales price, to the production cost, and also to the sales quantity connection to the production quantities. So it's a two sides between the market and the production. So for this item in my hand, it's a kind of popular sale items in South American markets. People use this turbo disc to cut granite. And in the market, during the competition, the people would like to choose cold-pressed turbo disc to cut the granite because the price. In the past, for some big brands, they only use hot-pressed for high quality and also for the better cutting performance. But during the market competition, the price is lower and lower, and more people would like to choose cold pressed. But for Gush, for our company, we want to bring a different new items for the market. We don't want to compete with customers or compete with other competitors in the price war. Like we give low price and with cold pressed. It's not our option, it's not our choice. We developed this item, which is we call semi-hot pressed. The price is almost same like cold pressed, but the performance, the quality is close to hot pressed. So this is kind of our how can I say the policy of new products developing. We learning and study the market. We catch the market sense, and then we give this kind of market information and technical guide to our manufacturers. We give them for this disc how much life and how about the cutting speed and what kind of material to test. We will give them our test standard, and also we will give them our targeted price. This is very important to success to developing a new product successfully. So now this disc already launched into the markets and sells very well. So we are checking and learning the markets. We offer a better choice for our customer. We not only just get into the price war. We offer a better quality based on same price. That's our option. And now we will talk about some other items for cutting. We will talk about Decton blade.
This is a Decton blade, and for dry cutting the Decton materials, it also can cut other hard materials, hard porcelain. And the Decton saw blade, the available size from 4 inch to 14 inch, we all can provide. And you can see the details of the blade, the segment.
It's a thin turbo.
Yeah.
And the thickness of the segment is very thin, around 1.1 millimeter.
Yes. And the steel core, the advanced steel core can reduce the noise level when the blade cutting. It can provide a good environment for the users. And the advantage of our Decton saw blade is especially for hard stone materials and the faster cutting, and it's no chipping, and
it's very difficult
yes.
to cut Decton without water, because the Decton is very hard and also very easy to chip.
Yes.
So normally when we're cutting the Decton, people always put water for dry wet cutting. But after the market developing, people ask for a dry cutting blade for Decton, because when they install the Decton material, they need to cut some pieces on the edge or in some small pieces. So they ask for dry cutting. And this blade is specially designed. We have a different formula, different diamond grades, and even the steel body is different. To control the quality, to mix the powder, we only use the one machine for one powder, one formula. We don't mix different formula. So this kind of things can make sure the stable quality, and also for each lot, each order, each shipment, the quality is the same.
And the Decton saw blade now it's popular in European market and North American market. How about
and even in South America?
Yeah.
We have a project. The Decton material is designed by a Spanish company. They have a project to promoting their material in South America, and our customer have a cooperation with this Spanish company. Yeah. Our customer offers the tours, and the Spanish company offers the material into the market. They introduce together, And our tools, cutting tools for this blade is approved by the Spanish company. They even offer us some the certificate to approve this quality. So they are, even in South America, the people think the decorative material is very expensive, but it's getting more and more popular. Yeah. And our cutting blades is promotion together with the decorative material.
Yes. For some professional customers, we also can provide a decorative bridge saw blade.
For the wedge cutting, the big size.
The bigger size. And the popular size is 12-inch and 14-inch.
From 12-inch to 14-inch. This one is 16-inch.
Yes, and the steel body we can provide a silent.
Yeah, we can keep. This is normal, but we can also keep offer silent body, steel body.
Yes.
Did you used on bridge cutting saw?
Yes, we have a customer from Spain and Italy and Mexico. The customer, the professional customers, they are purchasing this professional blade
Yes.
from us.
If you feel interest, you can contact us and we can offer the testing video to show the performance. Okay. And for the stone cutting, we also have another one for granite cutting. The popular size is 14-inch, and also the segment is 15 millimeter.
Yes.
And especially we can offer, this is silent steel body, and also we can offer normal steel body. This one is very popular in American market.
Yes.
In South America, we have different kinds of quality for customer use.
Yeah. And we also can provide the different quality levels according to the market needs.
For my understanding, in South America, 15 millimeter is popular, but in American market, in North America, it's not good enough, even higher.
Yes, I have the customers inquiry the 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter is popular in North American and even in other African
America.
Yes, African market. Yes, I have the customer from Algeria, and the customer inquired the granite diamond saw blade, and the segment is 15 millimeter.
Also 15 millimeter.
Yes.
Okay. So these two blades are used on bridge saw, and should be wet use. They are used to cut the stone material into small pieces, like a slab. And after that, we use the small blades to cut into small pieces like edge and different chewing steel. So these are our blades for cutting stone. And next we will talk about some different. Okay. This is vacuum brazed for multi-use. And this one is we call mesh turbo for ceramic, for different kinds of tie cutting. First, we will talk about the vacuum brazed. We call it multi-purpose.
The usage of vacuum brazed diamond saw blade, it can cut. You can see steel and stone and brick and other stone materials. It's multiple use. This product is popular in North American and now in Mexico and other Central American countries.
What size is popular?
This size is 5-inch. 5-inch is popular in USA and European, and in Mexico market 4.5-inch and 7-inch is popular. How about in South American?
This one in South America is not, how can I say, have been in the market for years, but the sales is not so big like normal stone cutting blades. It is designed for multi-use, but now in the market we have used same technology, vacuum brazed, but especially for steel cutting. So in the market we have two kinds of these blades. One is for multi-use, vacuum brazed. Another one is for steel cutting, also vacuum brazed. South American market is normally follow the North American market.
Yes.
But sometimes the market is different. For some expensive blades, the South American market need time to to accept and to use.
Yes.
But I believe this kind of seams will be widely used in stone fabrication and for some different use, because it's one blade can cut all kinds of material.
Yes.
And also the size is a little different. For example, for this one, in South America, 110 millimeter is the best sale size. People in South America do not use 150 millimeter, but of course in some countries who speak Spanish, they use 4.5 inch.
Yeah.
But for Brazil, who speak Portuguese, they use 110 millimeter because they use different machine.
Yeah.
So that's the point to introduce the right blades for right customer.
Yeah.
And here is another one we call mesh turbo. This is popular in all over the world almost.
Just as the quality in different market is different, and the size in North American, 4-inch, 4-inch and 5-inch, 7-inch, to 14-inch is popular, and we can provide the different qualities like in USA and Mexico and Colombia, different market. The customers, they need the different quality because the cost is different. But we are familiar with our market, so we are always can provide the correct diamond saw blade for our customers.
And this morning I just finished a telephone call with my customer in South America. In the past, for ceramic cutting, the South American market like to choose thin turbo. But 2 years ago, we introduced this mesh turbo into the South American markets, and now it has to be the A quality or best quality for our customers. It means the mesh turbo has been approved by the market and by the customers, because the design is different than normal thin turbo, and also we improve the better quality compared with normal thin turbo. So every time when we introduce the new products or new tools to our customers, it can help them increase the sales, and also can help them win the market, not just get lost in the price war. So that's very important for us to keep learning and keep in touch with our customers. We introduced a lot of products, but for different markets, the situation is different. Some blades for North America is not for South America is new, but for North America it's already sales for years. So every time we need to introduce some new items, and we're learning the market all over the world. We introduce the products which is popular in Europe, which is popular in North America. Then we introduce them, we share the market experience to South America and to Middle East and to Africa, like that. And also we have some other tools which is popular in South America, and we also can introduce to North America and to Europe. So in our company, we have a very organized sales team to learn the market, to service our customers, and we can organize total information and introduce the market sense to our production management. So today we talk about stone tools, and I wish you have an interest in our products. If you have interest for any products like cutting, cold drilling, and polishing, you can send us inquiry or leave a message to us. Our regional sales manager can answer you and service you online. So next time we will talk about another topic about American markets. And so see you next time.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.